to know a little about you.
Hey, that gives me a great idea, Big Bird. Let's find out what we all have in common.
Oh, well, what do you mean?
Well, for example, I have a teddy bear at home that I've had since I was a little baby.
Hey, I have a teddy bear too. His name is Radar. Do you guys have a teddy bear?
A teddy bear? See, Big Bird, that's something that we all have in common.
Oh, I get it. I like this game.
Well, let's try something fun that I think you'll all love. I'm going to sing a song, and you have to tell me who I'm singing about.
Oh, that sounds fun. Right, everyone?
Woo! Let's see. Is a friend right to the end? Who has two wings and even sings? Who has a beak in which to speak?
Sounds familiar.
Wait, my song's not through.
Okay, but I might know.
Who's always up for having fun? Who can eat birdseed by the ton? Who sleeps the best inside a nest?
A nest? Well, it has to be.
Wait, my song's not through.
Oh, goody. I'll get it this time.
Who has the biggest feet you know?
I have big feet.
Who's got feathers from head to toe?
I have feathers.
Who is the fellow who's all yellow?
I'm yellow. Well, I might know who has big feet, feathers, and that's yellow.
Big Bird, it's you.
It is me. I knew it. Wow, you sure know a lot about me.
Of course I do, Big Bird. I also know that you're 8 feet and 2 inches tall.
Tallest in my family.
You like to ice skate, roller skate, dance, sing, write poems, and draw.
That's right. I like all of those things. But there's something you don't know about me.
What's that?
I don't fly.
Big Bird doesn't fly. No, Big Bird doesn't fly.
I don't fly.
Big Bird doesn't fly.
I don't fly. I just walk on by.
Big Bird doesn't fly. No, Big Bird doesn't fly. Oh, he can hop. Woo! Come on, Big Bird. And he can skip right to the fix-it shop. He loves to roller skate, but my, oh my,
I just don't fly.
Big Bird doesn't fly. No, Big Bird doesn't fly. Oh, he can waddle with the best. Let's see it, Big Bird. And he can leapfrog right to his nest. Woo! He walks backwards, easy as pie. But my, oh my,
I just don't fly.
here we go. Big Bird doesn't fly. No, Big Bird doesn't fly.
I just don't fly.
Hey, that's okay, Big Bird. Not all birds can fly, and you can do so many other things.
Well, I am only 6 years old. Maybe when I'm older, I'll be able to fly.
Hey, I like your thinking, Big Bird.
Well, speaking of thinking, I think it's time to find out what else we have in common.
Okay.
Let's see. Do you guys like playing with toys?
Hey, do you guys like to play with toys? Yeah?
Oh, me too. Do you guys like playing with your friends?
Hey, do you guys like to play with your friends? Yeah?
Me too. I like playing with Snuffleupagus. He's my best friend.
Hey!
Oh, don't worry. You're my best friend too.
Good.
Oh, I thought of another question. Do you guys like birdseed milkshakes?
Do you guys like birdseed milkshakes? Yeah, I don't think many people like that, Big Bird.
That's okay. We still have a lot in common.
Hey, we sure do, Big Bird. Now, I've got a question for you guys. Do you like to sing? Yeah? Do you like to dance? Great, because Big Bird and I are going to sing and dance for you.
We are?
That's right, Big Bird. We're going to sing your favorite song.
Oh boy, let's do it.
I want everybody up on their feet and dancing along with us. Here we go. He rocks in the treetops all day long, hopping and bopping and singing his song. little birdies on Sesame Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, oh, Rockin' Robin, oh, Rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Tweedledee, 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 tweet, 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 tweet. Hey, that was so much fun.
Yeah, and I really like getting to know you all.
Me too, Big Bird. And now it's time for all of you to take a picture with Big Bird. So, if you'd like to form a line here, our friends in the black shirts will help